A federal judge in Oregon has ruled against the Trump administration's request to access the state's unredacted voter rolls, blocking the federal government from viewing sensitive personal information about Oregon voters. Judge Mustafa Kasubai said the Justice Department failed to meet the legal standard required to obtain those records and announced the case will be dismissed. Oregon's Attorney General Dan Rayfield called the ruling a victory for privacy, saying the federal government was trying to use voting laws as a backdoor to collect personal data. That data would have included full names, birth dates, home addresses, driver's license number, and partial social security numbers. This case is part of a much bigger national push. The Trump administration has filed a lawsuit in at least 23 states demanding access to expanded voter registration data. While basic voters' rolls are usually public, states are pushing back against turning over sensitive personal details tied to those records. At the same time, tensions are rising in Minnesota. Attorney General Pam Bondi sent a letter to Governor Tim Walz demanding action to restore order during unrest in the state. One of her requests included giving the Department of Justice access to Minnesota's voters' registration data. Democrats are calling the move political pressure. Some lawmakers say the request connects immigration enforcement with voter data access, raising concerns about election interference in battleground states. Minnesota officials argue the demand feels coercive, and state lawyers even describe the letter in court as sounding like a ransom note. Supporters of the administration say the effort is about election integrity and enforcing federal law. Critics say it's about controlled data access and political leverage. This fight over voter information is not just legal, it's political and it's growing. With courts now weighing in, the outcome could reshape how states protect voter data and how much access the federal government can demand. This story is far from over, and it's one the whole country should be watching closely. What is your thought? Write a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe.